Warm days through at least Thursday, and then we'll be dropping back down to those seasonal temperatures this weekend. But beautiful clear skies across the county today. We actually had a high of 94 degrees, still in those 90s though, but we are seeing some high thin clouds making their way across the county as we head into the evening hours tonight. But temperatures warmer than what we were seeing this time yesterday, and only going to increase as we head into Tuesday, continuing through the rest of your work week. We did see strong winds though, especially over the passes today. We're looking at 23-mile-per-hour gusts up in the Kern River Valley right now, 10-mile-per-hour winds in Bakersfield, 12 in Buttonwillow, and we were seeing gusts up to 25 miles an hour in our desert, but that will be calming down as we head into the evening hours tonight. But we are talking about high pressure that's parked over the region, so that's bringing us these warm and dry conditions through at least the rest of your work week. Temperatures actually reaching 95 degrees as a high tomorrow in Bakersfield, 92 in Shafter, as well as up in McFarland, but we will see some clouds make their way in, especially in the afternoon hours tomorrow. Upper 70s into Hatchby, even hitting the 80s down in Fraser Park, and then those upper 80s in the Kern River Valley. And we're seeing breezy conditions, gusts up to 30 miles an hour in our desert communities. But due to these warm conditions, we're talking about worsening air quality as we head into the rest of the week. So tomorrow we're going to still be in the upper moderate range, but with an AQI of 90, so a little bit better than what we were seeing this time yesterday, but warmer temperatures tomorrow. So we could be seeing worsening air quality as we head into Wednesday and even Thursday. So we'll still be in the 90s through Thursday, 80s on Friday, and then back to these average temperatures Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. We have a slight chance of rain on Sunday, but again, because we've been in the 90s, it doesn't look like we'll be getting much precipitation, especially here in the valley. The Kern River Valley, though, looking at those 80s continuing through Thursday, and then dropping down to the 60s with breezy conditions on Sunday. We can see the breeze actually starting Friday night, continuing into Saturday, into Hatchby and Fraser Park. They're going to be in the 70s though through Thursday, and then down to the 50s, even 60s on Saturday and Sunday. So it's going to be just gorgeous this week. A little warm, but then we'll be back down to seasonal. So nothing to complain about.
We'll be looking forward to those temperatures after this week.
Yeah, exactly.
Another little taste of summer.
Yes.
Creeping in.